Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm about to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So here goes. It's been a while since I've bought a new phone, so I'm pretty excited about the new Samsung. Been looking forward to buying one of these new ones for a long time, and the FE seems like the perfect upgrade from years since I bought a new phone. Oh wow. What's this? Samsung Care. Perfect. Oh, flawlessly beautiful. Love the beautiful lilac color. And the 3 cameras. Can't wait to take some beautiful photos with this. Absolutely love the feel of a new phone. Let's see what else is in the box. Ah yes, I need that to put my new SIM in. Charger, looks like a USB-C. So that's a charger cable. And I've got instructions on how to put the SIM in. Got a warranty card. Warranty book actually. I think that's fitted. Seems to be fitted in. Alright, so there you have it. My new Samsung. And just to keep my phone nice and protected, I also got a case and also got a screen protector, a glass, so that with the number of times I generally drop a phone, the screen stays nice and protected. So every time I get a new phone, I always make sure to keep it nice and protected. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day.